I know what you're thinking. These are some nice bags. But are they worth it? Let's talk about it. This is my 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Bob Cruiser. These are the 2-liter Darkin hard bags from Viking Bags. They're hard, so they're waterproof.
Speaking of waterproofing, they have a hard shell layer that ensures that they never sag or lose their shape, even after extended use, and a power washer.
They come with a quick latch lever that you can open up. The dimensions on the bag are 14 inches by 6 inches. It has enough room to carry all of your belongings, including a 3-day trip. That's 1,980 cubic inches of storage between both bags. They have a key lock feature, so you can easily shut the bag, latch it, and then lock it for safety when you walk away from the bike. Keeps all your belongings securely stored. Another feature of these bags is if you look at the back, and one of the main reasons I bought these bags is because they already have the cutouts for my stock taillights, which means I did not have to relocate anything. These bags also come with all of the hardware that needs to be installed. In this bag, I have all the essentials: rain gear, tire repair kit, bungee cords, tool kit, and each bag comes with a removable Velcro pouch that you can keep all your essentials in. The other option that these bags also come with is a quick release feature. The interior is lined with this nice canvas fabric, and there's a quick release lever that you can use to latch and unlatch the bags. It comes with the hardware attached to the bags. You just pop them off and pop them back on. So these bags, again, do come with a quick release installation. Let me show you. When you go to install these bags, they come with all of the hardware on the back of the bags that you're just gonna mount here. The hardware also comes down here that you're actually going to screw in and attach to your strut or your fender mount. Once you've got the bottom screws installed, you're gonna simply take the bag and attach it. Just like that. And you're all set to ride. Now let's talk about, are these worth the price of $559?
Before we make a final decision, I want to show you what the hard bags on my bike looked like before I installed the Darkin large quick mount painted hard bags from Viking Bags. This is footage from an out-of-state trip I took. You can see I had additional bags for lack of storage space, as well as the flimsy design on my previous bags made them look like they were going to fall off. After installing these Viking bags, I cannot stand the way that these look. I get so many more compliments now on my bike with these bags.
I would say so, because I have easy on, easy off, waterproof storage for all my essentials, for all my trips. Not to mention, everything is safe and secure every time I ride.
The Darkin Softail Street Bob painted hard bag has been designed to fit almost all Softail OEM setups. It's made from high-grade fiberglass. It provides a tight fit and a streamlined styling that flows with the lines of the fender. The premium foam liner inside the bag will eliminate rattling from your loose items when you are riding in high speeds or taking tight turns. The painted gloss black option is perfect for color matching your unique style. The bags are very secure and don't vibrate or come loose on long trips.
These bags make a great addition for anyone who's looking to take their cruiser bike and turn it into a mini bagger. You want to check these bags out? Go to the link in the description.